Hey guys, so I'm back again today and I'm going to be showing you the fetal heart monitor. I'm so sorry that I'm only getting to do it now. I actually had previously recorded it, didn't like the recording, so I decided to do it in the view of just the item. So I'm going to just be showing you what's in it. So we got this, must have been 2 weeks ago, a week ago, between two weeks and 1 week ago anyway, and we actually really do like it. It is, the only bad thing I'll say is it's quite loud. I find you hear like so many different noises, like the womb noise, and sometimes the little baby's heart isn't as clear. I don't know if it varies depending on the fetal heart monitor, but I do know I have been listening to reviews or watching reviews and listening to the same one we have to see if it is the same, and it does seem to be the same in these ones, but you just have to really try it as hard as possible, just keep patient, don't give up to try and find the heartbeat. It is sometimes hard, and this is why I will say that a lot of midwives, professionals don't recommend these, because it can stress the mother out when they don't find the heartbeat. Some people use it for reassurance even if they do hear the heartbeat. Never ever go by these for reassurance. Always listen to your baby, listen to your health. That is the most important thing. These are just here for us because it is a nice bond with the baby. It's nice for couples, it's nice for family to be able to hear the heartbeat for the baby, and for some people who have had unfortunate circumstances in their pregnancy, this does comfort them. But just don't always go by it. Just make sure that you're always checking the amount of times your baby's kicking. There's apps you can get which are called, I think it's kick counts, or count kicks. It's one or the other anyway. Kick counts, count kicks. So you can look them up, which are very good. But yeah, I'm just going to be showing you what's inside this. So I got this off a website. I think it's called Big Gadgets, but I'll definitely check and I'll link it below. Okay, so I'm trying to stay out of the shadow there, but this is inside it, as you can see there. That's it there. Now this did come wrapped up. It was wrapped, so this is, that's it there. That's what it looks like. Pocket Fetal Doppler. Now I think this is the Sonoline B. When I did the first recording I wasn't sure because it doesn't say on it, but I think on the website it said Sonoline B brand, so that's it there. You can probably hear there's different settings on it. That's the brightness. So sometimes the reading isn't accurate, so the baby should be around 120 to 130. From what I remember, the baby's heartbeat is always going to be faster than your own. Sometimes you can pick up your baby's heartbeat, which is what you want, but it can be confused with your heartbeat, and it can be confused with the womb noises, noises in your stomach. So there's plenty of videos on YouTube to help you, but there's also diagrams that to show at what level of your stomach to be doing it, depending on how far on you are as well, which are quite helpful. So that's it there. I actually have already tested this out, and I'll insert the wee video at the end of us using it. So that's it there, that's it on. And then you just press that down and it turns it off. So that's it. That's the wee scanner thing. That's the monitor, and in here, so we just got you can use, there's different types of jellies, but we just got the KY jelly. There is specific jelly for the fetal heart monitors. Might give it a better rating, was kind of what I was thinking. Maybe the type of jelly that you use does make a difference, because in the scans it does seem to be quite thick, and this isn't as thick. It comes with this. So yeah, it didn't come with this. We bought this separately. These earphones. Actually, I haven't used these yet. Maybe I should try them, because I might be able to hear it even clearer. Might be nice. And then instructions. These are the instructions here. So yeah, that is everything in here. So yeah, we do like it. It is nice. It takes a while. You have to practice to get it, and I just wish it wasn't as noisy. There is a button here where you can turn the noise up and down. But yeah, I don't know, like, so sometimes I have my phone on. I don't know if it interacts with that, so I tried to put it away, but we'll just keep going with it. But yeah, I definitely recommend them. They are lovely to have. So that's just a little review of the little wee purchase I got. So happy to finally have it. But yes, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Would mean the world. Thanks, bye, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so this is us trying out the fetal heart monitor. And that's the baby's heartbeat. You sure? Well, it is saying, what does it say on screen?
50, it goes between 140 and 150.